Alright, I just want to do a quick video here with the SJ Cam, kind of like the GoPro, of Beach Access 26. This is where Eric from E Watersports, this is where you access him. Lots of other private homes that are also rented out as condos and such. Not as many high-rises right in this section right here. And a lot of the old Florida beach places and all. That one right there called Lolly on the Beach. I believe that's where we're going to be staying in October, depending on friends, family, and whoever may come with us. Got a few high-rises. We're not far from St. Andrews State Park. I literally put the wave runner in at St. Andrews State Park. And in the distance, off in the distance, we've got a walkway here. This is the beach access. This is free beach access. Yellow flags today. And yeah, you can't just drive out on the beach. You have to have permits and all that. That's just the rules, folks. It's not like Daytona where anybody can drive on the beach down here. It would just trash it, quite frankly. Well, as we go by here, I'm going to pick up my stuff. Got my Gatorade, got my bag with my other camera gear. I've been out here shooting pictures with a 360 camera, learning how to use that and having a ball with it. Really and truly, I have been. And when I left to come up here and do the little walk and check in with the folks at the hotel, get their information, looks like they got a whole crew. They had some folks inquiring about renting their wave runners, and look, there they are, all fixing to go out. I think he's already got 2 of them out. I think he's going to send another 2 or 3 of them out. So good day for business for Eric and the crew over here at E Watersports. You know, before I give an incorrect phone number, I'll just not say a phone number until I know if this video is one that actually makes it onto YouTube or something like that. You can just look them up, E Watersports. There's their little kiosk. And I'll do a quick spin with the GoPro as well. Consider the storm that came through yesterday, which usually turns the water up quite a bit. Got that very nice characteristic blue, green, aqua, however you want to call it, right out here. Right at the first and second sandbars. There's Panhandle Helicopter on one of their helicopter tours. Whenever we stay down by Pier Park at the Osprey, where we've been staying since the 80s, their heliport is right behind it. So I just love watching the helicopters come and go. So yeah, let me do a quick spin. Right back where I came from. Beach Access 26. As a landmark, I used to be able to say Dat Cajun Place Restaurant was right out front, but they're at their new location, brand new building, kind of right up there by Off the Hook and some of the other great places. I'll shoot another video on that before I leave. I've been directed that I must go to the new location of Dat Cajun Place. And here's a shot all the way down the beach. It has gotten a little darker out here. They didn't have a chance of rain today, but boy, it sure feels like it could happen. So the direction I'm facing right now is towards St. Andrews State Park, which is where I put in today. And it's also where I am going to be shoving off here shortly and riding back to, because I want to see dolphins today. I haven't seen any yet. And that's part of a big goal here, is to go ahead and see some dolphins. Well, all right, well, here I am, red wave runner, Texas registration numbers. Everybody else has Florida on theirs. I'm gonna walk out here, be quiet, let you hear the surf for a little bit. Hey, this might be fun.